What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Louis Gucci, and I'm back with another video. Well, I ain't gonna say I'm back with another video because I think I already started this video. I'm gonna just add this because it's a whole different day. You feel me? I'm on my way to the car wash right now, currently. You know what I'm saying? I think I said that in the last clip. I don't know. It's been a couple days. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't been motivated to pick up the camera, man. But I don't know, bro. I'm changed, bro. I'm trying to change, and like, you know, start dropping these videos for y'all. But right now I'm currently on the way to the car wash. I got the windows down. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. But yeah, bro, I'm on the way to the car wash. I'm gonna give y'all this little, I said I'm gonna give y'all this little POV while I'm on the way there. Yeah, man, I'm about 10 minutes away from the wash or whatever. So just give y'all this POV on the way there. I've been hearing a little rattling noise too on my suspension, bro. Like if I hit a bump that's like too big. Yeah, bro, I'll be hearing that a little bit. And for some reason, bro, that damn airbag light keep coming on. Like, it don't come on every day, bro. Like, that mug could come on if, like, it rain or something. Like, after it rain, or if it's raining, the airbag light come on, bro. Like, if somebody in the comments know what that mean, bro, leave a comment, bro, because I don't really know. But yeah, bro, I've been just enjoying the car, bro, since the tune. I gotta get y'all more POVs since having it, cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm messing with it, bro. I'm enjoying this mug. I ain't gonna lie. It's more buzzing. I gotta get an oil change too. I might do that tomorrow. I don't know. It depends how hot it is, bro. It been so hot, like, I do not really like the summertime for real. I do not mess with that, but you know, it is what it is. Get that done, you know. I might try to get y'all some pulls. I'm in Indiana, you know. These police. I don't really know too much about these police, but yeah, man. Feeling motivated today, man. It might be the weather though. Even though I don't like it, it might be the weather. I just know I'm finna get y'all this video right quick because I haven't washed the car. It's been a minute. I am not gonna lie. I've been neglecting the car wash for a little while, but I'm finna stop doing that, bro. I've been treating my car wrong. Treating it wrong. Gotta stop doing that, man. Turn my sport, man. Sport, you know. Let me give y'all some pulls while I'm on the way there. Hopefully the wind ain't too crazy, bro. My goddamn arm hurt, bro. I ain't held a tripod or held nothing, like, you know, in a while, bro. Like, all this up here hurt. But yeah, man, my boy's supposed to be pulling up. Might get him on a vlog, man. Feel what I'm saying? Might get him on the vlog, but I'm gonna get y'all some pulls. I ain't gonna keep doing too much talking. I'm only 5 minutes away. Give y'all some pulls while I'm on the way there. And yeah. I know that's what y'all want to see anyway. Y'all want to see me do some pulls. I'm gonna do a video once I get my oil change. I'm gonna do a video specifically. I'm gonna just be doing pulls the whole video. I don't know. I might go to the hood. You know, ever since like the tune, bro, this motherfucker, it feel like a whole different car. This feel like a whole different car. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, man. But I don't know if y'all can even see like on the windshield. Probably not. That mug is so filthy. Got mud. Look, my car's so dirty, it's popping on the blind spot. That stuff not even working. That's how dirty my car is, man. It's popping on blind spot detect. I mean, the sensor's not working. That's how y'all know I ain't lying, man. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around. Man, I'm gonna give y'all a walk around. She vibing out to that shit. I don't know what she listening to. Show y'all how dirty this motherfucker is. I thought I just seen a Viper. Thought I just seen a Viper. I was finna do a U-turn. Beast, man. Hey, I'm trying to tell y'all, if y'all ain't got that tune, or y'all thinking about getting that Diablo, I'll say get it. I ain't finna sit up here and just act like, oh shit, just the car wash right here. I'm finna drive right past it. Alright, so I'm finna give y'all a walk around on the car right quick, because I added something new since the last time y'all seen it, so I'm gonna y'all a little walk around right quick, show y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I don't know if y'all ready. I know my car dirty, but y'all seen it dirty before. It won't be the first time, you know. So just tell me what y'all think, and show y'all, bro. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I ripped. It's that I added a front splitter. You know what I'm saying? I feel like. I feel like it looked, I don't know. It looked way better, if you ask me, than having like no splitter at all. Show y'all from other angle. Yeah, y'all see it. Oh, bro. Y'all see it. That mug. Gloss, I got a gloss black. Yeah, I mess with it, bro. It's hard. Now I really gotta chrome delete that, the wheels. I might debadge the whole thing, like I said in my last video. And then I'm gonna tint my tail light so it can match my side markers. And then I don't know, bro. It's just a lot of mods that I gotta do, that y'all just gotta stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so y'all can see me on the deal, you know. But it's a lot of little stuff that make a big difference that I'm about to start doing, and y'all just gotta stay tuned, bro, so y'all can see it. Cause I've been had this on there. I put it on my Instagram. If y'all not following me on Instagram, I'm gonna leave it on the screen somewhere on either side. Make sure y'all I was finna say subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, so that way y'all can see more of my behind the scenes content, man. Alright, YouTube, man. This mug shiny as hell. It's like after every wash, these damn chrome wheels, they be getting so goddamn shiny. I ain't gonna lie, at first I thought this mug was gonna come off the splitter, but that boy held up. So I'm gonna finish drying it right quick so I won't get no water spots. Alright, YouTube, man, I told y'all my boy might pull up on me. Y'all probably hear that motherfucker in the background already. But shit, y'all done seen it before. Well, not with these new wheels. Y'all will get this video after he drop his video. By the time he drop his video, I've been to drop my video. So if y'all ain't seen his video, going over his channel. I told y'all, hit me Meech, support bro. Shit. But look, that man he done went new rims, Goddamn. He done went cam. Y'all ain't gonna be able to hear me back here, folks. That man done went cam on their ass. New rims on their ass. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gonna see this after his video, but bro, this motherfucker is tough. I ain't gonna lie. But shit, subscribe to my boy, man. Y'all hear that shit. Y'all see the rims. These new. That motherfucker so loud, gang. And standing behind it, all you smell is the fumes. That boy working, man. Show y'all from right here, man. This damn thing in the way, but y'all get it. Y'all get the picture, man. How y'all think these rims look compared to his other ones? If y'all seen his other ones on my last, well, not my last video, but my videos from back then, how y'all think these look compared to that? Comment down below. I know it's time for me to go rims, man. That shit coming soon, man, but just stay tuned. I think we finna hit the highway. He said he gonna try to open that mud. Well, ain't no try, he finna open that motherfucker up, for real. Shit, I'ma just follow him and shit. Probably get some clips. So yeah, man, stay tuned. We finna hit the highway. You know what I'm saying? Demon, you know what I'm saying? This is how we coming. But yeah, we gonna hit the highway, and y'all just stay tuned, man, cause I'm finna show y'all, bro. We finna get active right quick for the one time, man. Gotta go sport mode, you know. Gotta go seatbelt on, you know. Gotta go safety first. Y'all always be wearing y'all seatbelt, bro. This shit is safety first, bro. Anytime you get in the car, and you finna drive, seatbelt on, bro. I'm telling y'all, save your life. But stay tuned, man. Yeah, we finna pull out. You feel me? Oh, snap. Tripping. I'm almost calling somebody. Do that. Finna make a video. I know he finna hit that bit when he get out of here too. As soon as all this traffic clear up. Traction off, man. Fuck it. Traction off, sport mode on. Fuck it. That bitch that got sideways. They got a little meat up here. Every time motherfucker leave the car wash. Bottom of my shoe. I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker sound nasty. That motherfucker sound nasty as fuck. I gotta get these cats gone, bro. This motherfucker damn near stop. When I'm riding around other motherfuckers, they got exhaust work done, bro. Shit crazy. That bitch sound good though. I'm finna say motherfucker and bitch. That motherfucker sound good, brother. I ain't gonna lie. See if my little shit can keep up, man. We hit that expressway, I'ma see if my little shit can keep up, man. Don't underestimate the charge, man. Don't y'all ever underestimate me, man. Let me know in the comments if y'all think I'ma keep up, man. Popping, he got cam, he You got burps? God damn. I'm squeezed Benz. Get over at the last minute of this shit. I am not squeezed, brother. But yeah, that motherfucker sound crazy. If y'all, I don't know, bro. Y'all gotta hear that motherfucker in person. Motherfucker do not be over exaggerating when they tell y'all. Heavy foot. This goddamn car from me. I can't really do shit. Damn. Dog in that bitch. Hop off on tar, man. That motherfucker. You see that motherfucker in the mirror, man. That shit crazy. My shit ain't, I need my shit to down. My shit to downshift. Alright. That motherfucker ain't no pussy when I hit the gas. Fuck you talking about? Shit ain't no pussy when I hit the gas. That bitch be on some Rudy Poo shit. Let me hanging on, man. Riding that bitch like it's a hot. Oh, bro. Windows up. Windows up. Yeah, I need to cam my shit. I need to tune up all kind of shit, gang. I need to get me a tune up and stop bullshitting. That bitch crazy. That bitch crazy. Alright, YouTube, man. It's I ain't gonna lie, man. This has been one, man. This is the end of the video. If y'all ain't subscribed by now, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, bro. Make sure y'all hit that like button. We finna go crazy all 2024, bro, for the rest of 2024, bro. Like, summer finna be crazy. This just a little teaspoon, bro. We got more stuff in the vault, man. Like, we finna go crazy. But yeah, if y'all like the content, make sure y'all leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, like the video, all that, run it up, run me up. I need 1,000 subscribers, bro, by the end of summer. Well, that's my goal. That's what I'm going for. 1,000 subscribers before the end of the summer. You know what I'm saying? I got to put this 180 thermostat in my stuff next week. Supposed to do it this week. I ain't gonna lie. The weather too crazy, bro. I need a garage or something, brother. I need a garage to work in, or I need to be out in the sun. But just stay tuned for the videos. More videos to come. I'm out.